Chers amis, dear friends, merci d'accueillir maintenant les ambassadeurs Disneyland Paris 2022-2023. Please welcome now the Disneyland Paris ambassadors 2022-2023, Carmen, Lleo Badal et Quentin Rodrigues.
Welcome everybody! Bienvenue!
It's so good to see you all here.
C'est un véritable plaisir de vous voir ici.
As Disneyland Paris ambassador, it is an honor and it's delighting for us to be here for the dedication ceremony of Avengers Campus at Walt Disney Studios Park. All we have to do is actually pull back that curtain and then Avengers Campus will be revealed.
Hey! En bas! J'imagine que la vue est cool. Ça, c'est une belle place pour de beaux discours, mais j'ai rien d'important à dire.
Spidey, could you let everyone in, please?
Bien sûr, je vais le faire avec plaisir. Laissez-moi juste... Hey, les copains! Regardez tous ces nouveaux amis qui viennent découvrir notre Avengers Campus.
Greetings, recruits. You're looking good out there.
It's an honor seeing you all here tonight. Ready to roll?
Let's go.
Bienvenue au Avengers Campus. Venez, entrez.
Dear new recruits, welcome to Avengers Campus. We invite you to take place around the Queen Jet in order to witness the dedication ceremony of Avengers Campus. Have a great evening, everyone.
Greetings, everyone. I am Friday, an advanced artificial intelligence assistant created by Tony Stark. It is my duty to activate the power-up of Avengers Campus here in Walt Disney Studios Park. To initiate the dedication of Avengers Campus, I invite you to please welcome the President of Disneyland Paris, Natasha Rafalski.
Hello, everyone. Bonjour à toutes et à tous. Thank you all so much for being here. We are absolutely delighted to have you with us today for the exclusive premiere of Walt Disney Studios Park's brand new immersive world, Avengers Campus. This is such an amazing year for Disneyland Paris. Back in March, we kicked off our 30th anniversary celebration, both honoring our incredible legacy of storytelling and inviting guests to enter into a new era with us. As part of this tremendous milestone for our resort, we are excited to introduce Avengers Campus, a significant step forward in the ongoing expansion of Walt Disney Studios Park and the overall transformation of the Disneyland Paris experience. And now it is my honor to share that we have assembled some incredible guests to help us dedicate Avengers Campus. So first, please welcome Chief Executive Officer of the Walt Disney Company, Bob Chapek.
Thank you, Natasha. Hello, everyone. Bienvenue, and welcome to Avengers Campus. I am so thrilled to be here to mark this spectacular milestone for Disneyland Paris as we continue celebrating 30 years of Disney magic here in France. And over the last several years, we've transformed this resort by bringing Disney storytelling to life through new experiences, dinings, attractions, and entertainment. And already we've seen incredible transformations across the resort. We've launched spectacular shows like The Lion King, Rhythms of the Pride, and the first ever daily drone show at a Disney park. And last year, we introduced Disney Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel, the first hotel in the world dedicated to Marvel art. And now our guests will see Avengers Campus come to life as the first Marvel-themed universe in Europe. As Natasha mentioned, our Imagineers, Marvel Studios team, and everyone involved have really outdone themselves to bring you this action-packed world where you can sling webs with Spider-Man, save the universe with Iron Man and Captain Marvel, and dance with the Guardians of the Galaxy. And soon you're going to discover that Avengers Campus is our own superhero base of operations, and we're going to have endless opportunities to tell even more stories as that Marvel Cinematic Universe continues to grow. And I think that our guests are going to be astounded by the detail and the creativity at Avengers Campus as they explore and become a bigger part of that universe. And for the first time in Europe, guests will get to experience the thrills and real-life adventures just like the ones that they've seen in their favorite comics, on the big screen, and of course, on Disney+. And now I'm thrilled to welcome one of the brightest stars in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, Captain Marvel herself, Brie Larson.
Bonjour. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you today. I am a huge fan of Disney parks, and being here at Disneyland Paris to celebrate the exclusive premiere of Avengers Campus is incredibly special. When I joined the Marvel Cinematic Universe as Captain Marvel, I was ecstatic to be able to portray a character whose strength, courage, and values I knew could resonate with audiences around the world. However, when you make a movie, you don't necessarily get to see the impact it has on people because you're on the opposite side of the screen. But being here at Avengers Campus, the stories and characters have a place to come to life where fans can interact with them every single day. It feels so special and significant. My favorite place at Avengers Campus is obviously the new attraction, Flight Force. And I know I can count on all of you to help Iron Man and Captain Marvel successfully complete their mission. Higher, further, faster, baby.
Thank you, Brie, and thank you, Bob. It is a pleasure to have you here with us. We're almost ready to dedicate Avengers Campus, but to help us, don't you think we ought to have a few heroes with us? Please welcome Captain Marvel and Captain America. Wait, hold on, where's Spidey?
C'est cool de vous voir! Waouh! Ça, c'est une super vue! N'oubliez pas de me taguer sur vos vidéos. Hashtag Amazing Spider-Man.
And finally, it is with great pleasure that I get to introduce you to the hero who started it all, Iron Man.
Avengers Campus. Iron Man is in the house. Iron Man is on the house. Okay, Iron Man is on the HQ. I'm here to give you a great big Avengers Campus welcome.
And now that Iron Man has arrived, it's time for an extraordinary team of heroes to help activate Avengers Campus.
All systems now online. Activating Avengers Campus in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Avengers Campus is officially activated.
Thank you, everybody. We look forward to you visiting and living out your own heroic stories here at Avengers Campus.
Ah, vous voilà. Excellent. Chacun de vous a été convié ce soir parce que vous en soyez conscient ou non, vous êtes doués pour les arts mystiques. Et j'ai besoin de votre aide. Si nous faisons équipe pour fusionner nos pouvoirs, nous pourrons accomplir quelque chose d'extraordinaire. Nous allons révéler tous les super-héros de cet Avengers Campus.